1963 Chevrolet Bel Air two-door post or sedan. Here at Unique, especially in classics. 350 V8 power that's paired up with an automatic transmission. Let's take a look at the front chrome. Let's show a little wear. Some spots on the chrome, headlight surrounds. Grill looks good. This vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That's included in the purchase price and may be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Has had a repaint. It's a very subtle diamond or tri-coat paint, you'll hear it called. Kind of a cool look on this car. Like I said, it's very subtle. It's not like a real deep, you know, diamond paint or tri-coat paint, but it's got a little bit of that flop to it, if you know what I'm talking about. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. You can see riding on polished wheels. Panels. Take a look, see how straight they are. Original fawn interior car. It's a bench vinyl seat. A few spots are showing a little wear. It's one of those cars, get in, turn the key, have some fun. Go to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Dual exhaust coming out the rear sides on the passenger and driver side. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. So we take a look at the rear bright work and chrome bumper. Another thing to remember is we do have an open door policy for third-party inspectors. Can't make it here in person yourself to look at it, maybe time restraints or distance. Feel free, third-party inspector, have them stop, take a look at it, report back to you. We try to do as fair a job as possible on these with all the pictures that we do take and the videos. You'll have a driving video of this car. You'll be able to check it out, listen to it, see it going down the road. Let's go ahead and check out this interior a little closer. All right, door panels and carpeting you'll be able to see in the pictures underneath the floor mats. Looked fine. A little bit of wear up here in the top of the vinyl on the driver's side also. Headliner. Let's go ahead and fire it up so you can hear it run. We'll check out underneath the hood. Have had the wipers working, blower fan work. Starts easily. Again, 350 powered. Aftermarket gauge cluster. That was a cold start, as you can see. Oil pressure, voltmeter. You can install whatever stereo system you'd like in this one. Top of the dash looks good. Here's the fuel gauges working. Little rumble coming out of that 350. Nothing over the top, but nice sounding car. Let me slip up to the front. I might be able to. Yeah, this one's going to be tough one-handed. I tell you what. Let me pause this a second real quick. Get the hood open and check out the engine bay. There you go. Get a look at the underside of the hood. There it is, 350, 4-barrel carb, Edelbrock intake manifold, HEI ignition. Smooth running, nice sounding. AC Delco battery with a battery disconnect. When you have it in storage or in between drives. It's nice, clean, simple looking engine bay. Popular year, 1963 Chevrolet Bel Air 2-door post or 2-door sedan. Remember that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures. Call in at 507-386-1726. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1963 Chevrolet Bel Air. This is a 2-door in white. Automatic on the column. Good power from this engine. Under the dash we have a triple gauge cluster. The temperature reading 180. Volts reading 13.5. Pressure right now is 60. We do have some play in the steering wheel on this car. Let's collect a little bit to the left. Our fuel gauge is reading 1/4 to 1/3 of the gauge. Seems to be working. The speedometer is working great. Our wipers also do function. And the blower motor works. If I let go of the steering wheel, this car stays nice and straight in the lane. Very nice. This is a brown interior in very good condition. Brakes are working good. Let's take a corner. Corners as you would expect for a 63 Bel Air. Good kickdown, good power from this engine again. Take a look at all the pictures and all the details at UniqueClassicCars.com.